Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing about mode stats in data science. So we try to understand the complexity of each and discuss complexity of each, right? Like try to read what is mode stat we are saying here, right? So mode statistics we are saying. We're saying the for the musical theory concept mode is a mode, right? So is used to describe use the number of distinct senses appending on a context. Okay, okay, let's see next, right? What is saying in statistics, the mode is a value that appears most often in a set value, right? So say that you have some set, right? So something appear more, we're calling it mode. Okay, if x is a discrete variable, mode is value of x, which is probability mass function, take a maximum value. Okay, and say x is equals to argument of max, p x equals to x, in other word it is the value the most likely to be sampled. ओके, बेसिकली कहने की कोशिश यही है कि आपका सेट नंबर 10 नंबर है, जो नंबर सबसे ज़्यादा आ रहा है वो आपका मोड होगा, राइट? लाइक द स्टैटिस्टिकल मीन एंड मीडियन, द मोड इज द summary statistics about the central tendency of a random variable of a population. ये बताता है कि आपका टेंडेंसी क्या है एक रैंडम वेरिएबल की और पॉपुलेशन की सेंटर टेंडेंसी क्या है. द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू इज द सेम एज मीन एंड द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ऑफ द मोड इज द सेम एज द मीन एंड मोडियन इज अ नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. अगर ये ऐसा हो जाता है कि मीन मोडियन तीनों चीज़ें सेम आ जाए, राइट, देन वी कॉल इट नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, but it may vary in a highly skewed distribution, right? So you can say this is what is normal, right? What is you can see this is a normal distribution. You can understand this way, right? In the normal, let me zoom over, right? So mu is a different values right here. If mu equals to 0, that is the central. Everything is same, right? But if mu little less or long, right? Different values of sigma you can have it. It's changing the shape of the distribution of the numbers that we have, right? Mode is not necessarily unique or a given discrete distribution. 6 mass mode function may be take a same mode value in a several points x1 x2, right? The most extreme case occur in a uniform distribution when all the value are equal frequently. Okay, the mode of the contiguous probability distribution is often considered as a value x, which is a probability density function, has a local maxima. When probability density function of a contiguous distribution has a multiple local maxima, it common for refer all the local maxima as a mode of the distribution. So the peak is a mode. Okay, such continuous distribution is called multimodal distribution. In summary, in symmetric uni-multi distribution, such as normal distribution, the mean, if defined, and mode and all are coincide. For sample, if it known they are drawn from a symmetric uni distribution, the sample mean can be used to estimate the population mode. Okay, let's consider with some example. We can get it more detailed. Right? The mode of a sample is the element that occur most often in a collection. For example, mode of a sample 1 3 6 6 6 7 7 12 12 17 is a 6 because 6 occurring in the 4 times, right? So we can say that the given list is that 1 1 2 2, the mode is not unique. Okay, here is the mode is not unique. The data set in such case said to be bimodal, while a set with more than two values are described as a multimodal. Okay, for a sample to for a contiguous distribution such as this distribution, the concept usually is a road form such that no value will be extremely same, so each will be precisely once. In order to estimate the mode of the underlying distribution, the usual practice of discretization of the by assigning frequency to the interval of a equal distance as a making a histogram and effectively replacing the midpoint of the interval they are assigned to. Mode is the value where the histogram reaches a peak. For a small or a medium size sample, outcome of procedure is sensitive to the choice of the interval with of the chosen to the narrow to wide. Typically, one should have sizable fraction for the data concentrated in the relative small number 5 to 10, right? The fraction of the falling outside these interval is too sizable. Alternative approach is to that kernel density function, which essentially blur point sample to produce a contiguous estimate of the probability density function, which can be provided to an estimation of a mode. So what do we need to do? We need to sort the number, find the differences of their real maxima, right? And then find that which index is having the most occurrences. Index is repeated with the same value, right? Index is where the repeated value changes, okay? You can see that this is the mode, right? So arithmetic mean is that summation all and divided by 7. Total number 7 we have, right? We're getting 4 as the answer. Median is that sort this thing and find the middle number, right? And most frequent number is coming as a mode, okay? All these measures have the following properties, right? A random variable of subject to the linear or of linear transformation. It replaces x with this thing, so the mean median mode, right? This, as per the extremely small sample insensitive outlier, such as occasional rare experiment, a contiguous unimodal distribution median is lie between mean median mode. So that we understand how the mode lies in different distribution, guys, right? So one question is that can we find the mode without sorting? That is also question, right? Which can we can think and ponder about, right? If you sort the number, it will take n log n complexity. Then finding the middle number is a n time, right? And by 2 time, then total complexity become n log n. So can we do better than that? That is why we created this block actually to understand these terms, right? But yeah, that is all. That's my time. Please see you next time. Bye.